Good afternoon. What exactly are infrared dryers for? Their use is necessary when it is necessary to accelerate the drying process of paint coatings, as well as when it is necessary to dry a layer of putty or primer in a short time. When working with Nordberg lugs, the painted metal is dried from the inside, which allows you to keep the fresh look of the painted surface. Infrared drying of Nordberg and F13 with 3 heating elements. The length of one heating element is just over half a meter, the power is 1100 watts, the total drying power is 3300 watts. The time and temperature are set from the control panel. You can also set temperature parameters on it. A liquid crystal display voltmeter is conveniently located next to the remote control. Each emitter can be switched on and controlled separately. It is possible to set a timer up to 60 minutes. A shortwave quartz infrared lamp, an analog of Philips, is designed for 5 to 7,000 working hours. A convenient handle on the rack for moving around the service station. The aluminum rack is reliable and lightweight. It rises due to the Primo cylinder, which is designed for more than 10,000 lifts. Due to this, you can choose any height level. It is worth paying attention to the drying base. The U-shaped base on wheels allows you to roll the dryer directly under the car, between the wheel. One of the wheels is equipped with a locking brake. Model Nordberg and F12 with 2 heating elements. A rack with a mechanical system for changing the height and angle of inclination makes it possible to install the lamps at the required height and in the desired position. Any of the dryers is intended for auxiliary use in small and medium-scale repair work in body workshops and in a car service. The Nordberg and F2 drying model. 2 heating elements with a length of 400 mm each, with a capacity of 1100 watts. There is a mechanical timer made of patented reflectors made of stainless heat-resistant steel. A vertical stand of 650 meters with an additional horizontal crossbar with a length of 50 meters allows you to fix the radiators in any position. Well, I can only add that all Nordberg infrared dryers are covered by a 2-year warranty. Good luck with your work and see you in the following videos.